Hello viewers, today we are using Osalo calculator to solve linear equation question. So let's consider the question here. So you start by pressing your 4. Then the next one, you look for the variable that is x. You press your alpha and your x is here. Then you press your minus sign. Then you press 7. And the next thing is that you need your equal sign, and the equal sign is here. The equal sign is here. So you press alpha and you press your equal sign. You press that sign, give you the equal sign. The next one, you press 13. So after you are done with this, if you're looking for your answer, you press shift. Then you press the solve again. Then to give you your answer, or you press equal sign. Then you press it again. You see your answer, x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Now, so you press on, or you press this to clear off your answer. So now let's consider this question again, using Osalo to solve this. So the first thing is that you press your key 3, then alpha, your x, plus sign, you press on 7. You want the equal sign. The equal sign is here. So you press the alpha and the equal sign. The next thing is that you press on 13, 1, 3. Press on 1, 3. The next one is minus sign. You press on 3 again. You're looking for x, alpha, and your x again. Now after you are done with this, you're looking for the answer. So the answer, you press your shift, then you press your solve again, then you press your equal sign, then you press it again. That means that your x is equal to 1. Again, we are using the Osalo to solve this question as well. So this one involves fraction. So let's start. This one, the variable here is y. So when you're using Osalo, no problem. But when you're using the 991 ES plus, you have to change it to x. That will make it very simple for you. So for Osalo, let's use and solve it. So since it involves fraction, this is the key for fraction. You press it, fraction key, you press on 2, you press the arrow down here, then you press the 3, you press the key here, then you open your brackets, 3, then alpha, y is here, minus 1, then you close the bracket. The next one is minus again, you open the bracket again, then alpha, you press on y, plus 2, then you close your bracket. Then the next thing is that you're looking for equal sign, alpha, and press this key, equal sign is there. Then the next one also is a fraction. You open, you press it, press 1, then this control leads us to the denominator, press on 3. Then the next thing is that you're looking for an answer. Since you're looking for the answer, you press on the shift, the solve again, then you press your equal sign, you press the equal sign again. The answer, y is equal to 3. So this is the final answer for the question. So let's keep on trying and master it. It will help us in exams. Thank you very much.